guys, so continuing with my series on topics that don't usually come in CSEC Math, this is January 2018 question 2 part A, which has to do with binary operations. So we're given that A asterisk B means the square root of A plus 4B, where the positive root is taken. So determine part 1 for 2 marks the value of 1 asterisk 2. So the asterisk is what we call a binary operation, and binary meaning that it is an operation between two numbers A and B. So in this case, A is 1 and B is 2. So to find 1 asterisk 2, it's basically substituting A is 1 and B is 2 into the rule for the operation. So therefore, 1 asterisk, and it's not a multiplication sign. The asterisk signifies the operation given. So A plus 4B, so that would be 1 plus 4 times 2, which is the square root of 1 plus 8, square root of 9. Now the square root of 9 is actually plus or minus 3, but since they told us that the positive root is taken, therefore we just have one value, which is positive 3. So let's look at part 2. Part 2 says, determine whether the operation denoted by the asterisk is commutative. Justify your answer for 3 marks. So to determine whether a binary operation is commutative, the commutative law states that if we switch around the order of the numbers, the result is the same. So if we get 1 asterisk 2 is equal to 3, let's find 2 asterisk 1. And if we get the same result, then it means that the operation is commutative. So 2 asterisk 1, so we're switching around the numbers. So this time A is 2 and B is 1. So let's substitute it into the rule. So it will be the square root of 2 plus 4 times 1. Okay, so therefore this will be equal to the square root of 2 plus 4, which is square root of 6. Which I'm not going to work out because this will be a decimal number, of course, because 6 is not a perfect square. So square root of 6 is not equal to 3. So therefore, we do not get the same result for 1 asterisk 2 as 2 asterisk 1. So we say that since 1 asterisk 2 is not the same value as 2 asterisk 1, then the binary operation is not commutative. Okay, and that's your answer for 3 marks.